Well, my friends and I are from Team Chicken Farm and we're going to explain about our chicken farm planning. Let's start now. First of all, before we buy the chickens, we're going to build a safe, cozy, comfortable house for the chickens to live in. After that, now we buy the chickens. Make sure to buy healthy chickens so they don't get sick easily.
Daily feeding the chicken. We are going to feed the chicken twice a day so they stay healthy. We are going to take the egg from the under the female chicken to raise even more chicken.
Keep on feeding them. Keep on feeding them till they become adults. Build an even bigger chicken house so all the chicken can fit.
The last step, get ready to sell the chicken eggs. We are going to sell the chicken eggs to the supermarket, so we will have more money to raise more chickens. Thank you guys for listening our chicken farm planning. That's all of today. Thank you.